Equifax FACTA Beacon 5, TransUnion Classic FICO 4, and Experian version 2 are scores used in mortgage lending. As your credit score determines your mortgage rates or if you even qualify for a loan, while it is common knowledge the mortgage lenders use FICO scores, most people with a credit history have the 3 FICO scores. Most lenders determine a borrower's creditworthiness based on FICO scores. These scores tell the lender what type of credit risk you are and what your interest rate should be to reflect that risk. FICO scores have different names at each of the 3 major United States credit reporting companies, and there are different versions of the FICO formula. If you want to dig into the regulations for Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae to see the source of this information, you can do so. But be warned, it is like trying to drink water from a fire hose.